Hello everyone, how are you all? Good morning to you all. Today we are going to learn something new. Myself Angel Miss, and today we are going to learn about birds. So you have to listen, then you have to say after me. That is, speak after me. So shall we start our lesson? Yes, let's start. Parrot, parrot. Crow, crow. Sparrow, sparrow. Duck, duck. Eagle, eagle. Owl, owl. Pigeon, pigeon. Peacock, peacock. Hen, hen. So now shall we recap? Now let's revise all the birds' name. Now let's start. Now you have to read one by one all the birds' name. Now everyone read. Let's start. Owl, hen, sparrow, parrot, peacock, eagle, duck, pigeon, crow. Now everyone say this. You have to say all the names once more, and we will meet in next video. See you soon. Bye.